Good morning students. After the exercise 7.4, today we will start exercise 7.5. 7.5 exercise. In this exercise you have subtraction and addition in a fraction. Okay, then the first question is write this fraction approximately as addition and subtraction. Okay, that the first fraction is the number of box is 1 2 3 4 5, so that the denominator value is a 5 and one box is a fill. Okay, now second 1 2 3 4 5, here we 5 and 2 box is fill, so that the is equal to, here is a 3, is 3 box fill and out of 5, that be 5 and 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, here second question in the bracket is total 5 parts 1 2 3 4 5 equal part, and all part will be filled, that the fraction is 5 upon 5. Here is a out of 5 is only 2 is filled and is equal to is 2 upon 5. Here is a 3 part will be fill. Okay, so that 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, is minus, is a sign of minus, here sign is a plus, is equal to that. Okay, now here is a 1 by square in a 6 circle, that 6 circle is means 6 and 2 is a fill. Here is after then 6 circle and 3 is a fill, and here is a 6 circle and 5 is a fill. So that is a 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. That is the addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction, you first the check denominator value is same. Suppose 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 is equal to, they are same quantity, that the 5 upon 5. Okay, now 6 upon 9 minus 2 upon 9, that the 6 minus 5 is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. This type of example of these questions in exercise. Question number second in the exercise 7.5. Solve. Okay, that the solve the according to sign is a, suppose will be given the plus sign, it means you add the two fraction, and given the minus sign, it means you give solve the subtraction. Okay, that the first question is a denominator is 1 upon 18 and 1 upon 18, both denominator are same, that we write the 1 time 18 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 upon 18. Okay, next will be is 15, because two denominator are same, that 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 upon 15. Okay, here we will do direct method because the denominator value are same, that the 7 is 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 upon 7. Okay, and next is a 1 upon 22 and 22 and 21 upon 22. Okay, then the 22 and the 1 plus 21 is equal to 22 upon 22, is after cancellation then the value of 1. Okay, now next question is the denominator r value are same, is a 15, that the 12 minus 7 is a 5 and 5 upon 15, and after cancellation a simplified form with the 1 upon 3. Okay, now next is, here we denominator are same, that the 8 and 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 upon 8 is equal to 1. Okay, here 1 minus 2 upon 3, here 1 minus 2 upon 3 you have write is 1 is write the 3 upon 3, because second denominator is a 3, the denominator are same, 2 upon 3 is equal to 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3. Now next is 4 is 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is a 1, that is the 1 upon 4, and is 3 upon 1 minus 12 upon 5. But here is a denominator are not same. So first will be denominator are same you condition. That is that the 3 into 5 upon 1 into 5 minus 12 into 5 upon 5 into 8, 12 into 1. Where is the 1? That the first denominator to multiply second number and second denominator to multiply first number. Okay, then write the here to write 15 upon 5 minus 12 upon 5. Here the denominator are same. You write 5 at 15 minus 12 is equal to 3 upon 5. So that the answer is 3 by 5. But this method is very important. There are some questions are denominator same, and this exercise will be maximum question will given the solve addition and subtraction that the denominator value are same. Question number 3. Shubham paint 2 upon 3 of the wall space in his room, and his sister with the help Madhuri will be help and the painting 1 upon 3 of the wall space. How much did paint together? Okay, there first will be separate the Shubham paint 3 by 2 part. The Shubham paint of the wall is 2 by 3 part. Okay, and his sister Madhuri, paint his sister is painted of wall is 1 by 3 part. And how much did paint together? So we together paint. Together paint means they are addition 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. Okay, two parts will be add, the denominator are same, the 3 and 2 plus 3 1 is equal to 3 by 3. It means the answer will be 1. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4 is fill in the missing fraction. The 4 questions are given A, B, C, D, and you find the missing fraction. There the 7 upon 10. 7 upon 10 minus in the fraction is 3 upon 10. So that is the it's the value of denominator are same, and 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 upon 10. Okay. Now second question is in the fraction is minus 3 upon 21 is equal to 5 upon 21. So denominator value is a 21 and 3, that the 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. Now see the denominator value is 6, that is write the 6, and 3 minus 3, so they write the 6, and 6 upon 6 is equal to 1. Okay. Here is a denominator is a value of 27 and 5 here plus, then the 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Okay. So these 4 questions are solved. Question number 5 is Javed was given 5 upon 7 of the buckets of the orange. That the 5 upon 7 is the part of the orange in one bucket, and what fraction of the orange was the left in the bucket. Okay. In this type of question, the total fraction of a orange in buckets, the total orange in the buckets is equal to 1. Okay, and Javed was given orange in buckets, the fraction is 5/7. So remaining orange is 1 minus 5/7. 1 minus 5/7. This is right. 1 will be right the 7/7 minus 5/7, because 7/7 after cancellation that the value is 1. Okay, then we solve 7, that 7 minus 5 is equal to 2/7. It means that the answer is the orange is 2/7 is a left. Okay.